Step is going to be a split basic. So just, again, basing it on our basic step, up, up, down, down. One foot goes in then the other. Up, up, down, down, up, up, back, back. Up, up, down, down, up, back, back. So instead of up, down, up, down, we're still doing that, but our second two steps, we just split. All right, so keeping that walking rhythm, we can try it slow right here. So right lead, right, left, then right foot forward, left foot back, right foot up, right foot back, left foot back. Walking rhythm, same counts as two basics, split basic. Up, up, forward, back, up, back, back. Let the arms swing. Okay. Stay close to the step. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see how you can always substitute the two basics, but it's very similar to just doing basics, just a little more fun. So on the left, one foot then the other. Left, right. So take it up, up, forward, back, up, back, back. This is our split basic with our left foot leading. Okay, up to tempo, up, forward, back, up, back, back. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Let's try it slow again. Left foot, right meets it, left goes forward, right goes back. Left foot comes back, right up, and then both back. Up, up, here's your split. To get back on top, finish the split basic by stepping back. So that will become really kind of second nature if you just practice it a few times, and just remember you can always do just a basic instead. So hopefully that helped, guys. That was our split basic. Give me feedback, please subscribe if you hadn't, and thanks for working out with me. Have a great day.